Hello and welcome. This is Michelle with PaperStampInk. Thanks for stopping by today. So I'm doing something a little different. I'm just jumping on to do a very quick tutorial. I find myself needing a thank you card, and I thought I'd just walk you guys through my process when I'm designing a card. So I grabbed my Tropical Chic because I wanted to play with the Tropical Chic papers, and then I grabbed one of my pre-made card bases in Blushing Bride, a scrap of soft sea foam that coordinates with these papers. I wanted to use the "You Are the Greatest" sentiment from here, so that's another reason I picked this stamp set. So I've already mounted that on my block, grabbed my Blushing Bride, my soft sea foam, and then I have a couple of punches. I've got the Starburst, oops, got that upside down for you, the Starburst and the 2-inch punch that I'm going to use as well as a scrap of Whisper White cardstock for stamping the sentiment. So let's see what we can come up with on the fly. So I know I've got my pre-cut base. Normally I would layer a Whisper White layer inside there. I'll grab one of those real quick here for my pre-cut pieces. There we go. Now I think I'm ready to go. So let's play around. I've got these scraps that I want to use up, and I think we can lay that there. I'm going to trim that down, probably a little bit of a trim. Let's go ahead and cut this down, bring in my trimmer. And actually, I'm going to rotate that. Let's, we got a 3-inch piece. I'm going to cut a 1-inch piece. Whoops, use the trimmer, not the scoring blade. And I'm going to cut a 1.5-inch piece just to get us some different sizes to play with here. I think I can use this as a background. Sometimes it's really just kind of playing around, and I think I like that look. I'll go ahead and layer these pieces. I'm not worrying about the dimensions. Sometimes it's fun, guys, just to play around with your papers. Get different scraps, cut different pieces, lay them up, and see what you get. It doesn't always have to be exact and precise measurements. All right, so I've got that centered. And again, I'm not going to worry as much about my dimensions. I'm going to go ahead and lay this on the card front off to the side. You know what? Before I do that, I think I'm going to come in and do a little tone on tone here with one of these other stamps. That's part of this set. Let's grab the flower. Great way to create some extra dimension on your card, or another look is just to come in and use the same tone that you have your cardstock in. Use that same color for stamping, and just add a little bit of background. Just as quick and simple as that. I wasn't worried about covering the entire piece because we are going to have this go over the top, and I love how that just added some more depth to this card. Let's get this straightened up here. I love the Tombow Mono multi-glue for that purpose. It gives me a little bit of wiggle room, and I still didn't quite get that straight. There we go. And then instead of measuring, I'm just going to come in with my snips and use the card base as a guide for trimming this down. There we go. Let's do a little bit on our inside panel while we have this stamp's set out in the ink, and I'm just going to put a little flower down there in the corner. Take my "You Are the Greatest," and I think I'm just going to end up using this pink, the Blushing Bride. Let's cut that out with our circle punch. Circle punches make it so easy because we don't really have to worry about lining up. Now that I'm looking at that, I'm going, I think that's a lot of empty on there. So I am going to come in. Let's grab one of these leaves in the soft sea foam. And we're just going to add a little bit of color on there. I'm going to grab my soft sea foam piece and my Starburst punch. This is great for layering with the 2-inch punch because it gives you just a very slight little edge peeking out there. Stick this on there. Let's grab some dimensionals because, hey, card's not complete without dimensionals, right? Put these on. I like to do 3s in a triangle when I do my circles just to give them a good amount of support. We don't want any sagging panels. Let's see. I think I'm going to stick this down here kind of in the corner, overlapping a little. We'll adhere our inside panel, and hey, just like that, we have got a card. So, you know, it doesn't always have to take a long time. We don't always need these fancy cards and lots of elements. Sometimes a quick and simple card can still be beautiful to give to your recipients. So this stamp set is carrying over into the new catalog. Make sure you stay tuned for more information. I will be putting out more videos with new products very soon. I don't like to do them too early because it's just not fair when you guys can't order them yet. And I know that's frustrating when I see videos and I love a product and I can't actually order it. So this is our simple card. And if you haven't already subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. Tap the bell. You'll get notifications when I post future videos. Be on the lookout for my paper share for the new catalog. I hope you have a great day. Don't forget to grab some paper, stamp, and ink and make something creative and share it with someone you love.